Getting fresh produce from the grocery back to your fridge can really be a challenge. All those plastic bags everywhere, tearing, breaking, stuff falling out everywhere. I knew there had to be a better way, and there is. Reusable insulated grocery bags. Place your order here and get 2 large reinforced collapsible totes, and as a bonus, you get 2 heavy-duty mesh bags. These totes are insulated and they're made to support up to 45 pounds, which is a lot of produce. It's a very tough bag with reinforced stitching, so it's not going to fall apart. You can even take these totes into the grocery and use them to sort your groceries as you shop. They are also the perfect thing for camping, parties, game nights, tailgating, making food deliveries, or even for organizing stuff in the car. When you're done, they will collapse flat and you can store them behind your seat.